All right, guys, let's cut the bullshit. It's 2019. We're a couple of weeks into the new year, and so far, this new year has been an absolute day trader's paradise, right? Markets have been on fire since day one of the new year. All markets, Forex trading, futures trading, stocks trading, every single market has been through the roof, right? Now, in this video, I'm going to ask you for a commitment to me and to yourself. And that is, I want you to take responsibility for your own trading success, right? And what do I mean by that? Well, what I mean is, in 2019, I want you to commit to not using indicators, to avoid signing up for bullshit day trading chat rooms, to bypass signing up for $5,000, $6,000 day trading courses, which I really fucking hate, right? In 2019, I want you to commit to keeping your trading simple. I want you to follow along with the concept of trend trading, which I've shown you guys repeatedly will nail the high and nail the low in every market. Forex, futures, stocks, doesn't matter. Trend trading works, right? There's a science behind it, and I'm going to show that to you guys in this video. But this video is going to be a little bit different because this is the first video of 2019. And so I'm going to provide you guys with a clean, organized roadmap on where I think you should set your goals. And it all starts with removing the distractions in your life. All right, so let's go ahead, fire this up. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dyno Trading. Glad to be back with you. It's been quite a while since I did my last video post on here. Kind of growing my trading team, so I've been super busy with that, setting everybody up, and really trying to position 2019 as being an incredible year for day traders. I truly believe that the volatility we saw at the end of 2018 is going to continue into 2019, and I'm a firm believer in that 2019 is going to be the year of the day trader. We've already seen that in the first 14 trading days of this year, right? Huge intraday moves in Forex, huge intraday moves in futures, just consistently nailing highs and lows, 300 points, 500 points, 800 points. Like I said, it's been a day trader's paradise. But anyway, so this video, like I was saying in the intro, is going to be a little different. This video is for those of you guys that are kind of on the fence about trading, right? About starting your day trading journey, about trying to position yourself to obtain success. Even a little bit of success is better than a shit ton of failure, right? But if I had to describe the most popular type of person that contacted me last year, it would be people that got burned using indicators, or that got burned spending $6,000 on a bullshit day trading course. And the sad part is, most people have no idea what price action means, what trend trading means, what retracement means, right? I've spent hundreds of hours posting videos on here trying to educate you guys on what all of those three things means and how it can transform your day trading literally overnight with no indicators, no chat rooms, no fucking mentors, right? Just easy, professional software that's going to take this chart right here as an example. This is the pound versus the New Zealand. You take this chart right here, and with one click of your mouse, you make it look like this, right? Same exact instrument, just displayed differently with price action, with trends, with retracements, right? Which are the three pillars of success in trading. I can tell you guys this right now, And I fully welcome an honest debate about this, an honest dialogue about this. I'm going to win, but I fully encourage you to debate me on this. There is nothing else that works in the market other than trend trading. I didn't come up with trend trading out of thin air, right? It's been proven to work. There's a science behind trend trading, right? And I've programmed my DynoBars accordingly, right? For you futures traders, right? For those of you guys that trade futures, and you know I love my futures traders. Love futures trading. Here's the YM, the Dow E-minis. Something that I think this year you guys should really start trading. Even if you only trade Forex, I really recommend you take a look at Dow E-minis, right? But anyway, here's a 5-minute candlestick bullshit chart. One click of your mouse, make it look like this. Same chart. Dow E-minis bullshit, Dow E-minis professional, right? So where am I going with this? Well, where I'm going with this is in 2019, what I want you to do, for those of you guys that are on the fence, right? This video is for you guys. For those of you that are trying to figure out if you can make it at day trading. For those of you guys that are deciding if you can handle day trading full time and earning a living, right? I'm not just talking about trading for 1 hour a day on your lunch break, right? I'm talking about waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning, checking out the pre-market news, positioning yourself, getting ready for the trading day, and being at your computer looking at charts from 7 o'clock in the morning until 11:30, maybe lunchtime. Call it 4 or 5 hours, right? And that's for futures. For Forex traders, obviously, it would be at night. It would be the same exact thing except at night. So this video is going to show you that yes, with the right approach, with the right mindset, 2019 can be your year to succeed at trading. You got to remember, guys, the best traders in the world, they're not born, right? They're not like any kind of royalty, right? The best traders in the world were made. They practiced their craft every single day, and they got better each day than they were the day before, right? It's no different than being a lawyer, being a doctor, right? Medical school, whatever the case may be, right? To get good at something, to get good at anything, you have to practice. But what good is it practicing on a chart that looks like this, right? You're going to go nowhere, and you're going to go nowhere fast on a chart like this, right? You need to practice and get good at price action charts like this, right? Just because you have the DynoBars charts doesn't mean tomorrow you're going to go out and make $1 million, right? I specifically have that conversation with everyone that I talk to who signs up for the DynoBars. I flat out say, listen, this is not a get-rich-quick strategy, right? This is the slow and steady path to becoming a professional trader, right? Why is it that 98% of people that trade these type of candlestick bullshit charts, why is it that 98% of them fail, right? And on the flip side of that, why is it that 98% of professional traders who are trading this kind of chart win, right? Guys, the answer is really simple. It's trend trading. That's the answer. Trend trading will separate winning traders from losing traders. I wish there was a nicer way for me to say that. I really do. But you guys know me by now. I don't beat around the bush. I keep things real with you guys. You love it, you hate it. Me personally, it doesn't matter. The point I'm trying to get across here is that any one of you guys that are watching this video or have watched any of my previous videos on trend trading, on the DynoBars, on using DynoBars and T-bars and really being selective and cherry picking your entries, using the trend lines to take the trade, placing a very tight stop on the T-bar chart, etc. You guys that have seen those videos know that real money is being made in the market, right? Huge, huge sums of money are being made in the market, all markets. Huge sums of money being made in Forex trading, huge sums of money being made in futures trading. I mean, these are two of the most heavily trending markets in the world. There's a reason that professional traders gravitate towards Forex and futures instead of stocks, right? Not that I'm bashing you stock traders out there. I'm just saying that Forex and futures are literally a million times better. And you get better leverage. Okay? So guys, anyway, if there's one thing that I want you to do in 2019, right? For those of you guys that are on the fence, all right? It's just learn, practice, study up, and master the concept of trend trading. Understand what makes a good signal and what does not. Understand that you will lose money by getting stopped out, and you will make huge money by letting your winners run. That's how day trading works. You got to be able to absorb a couple of small losses in order to get to that massive fucking winner, right? No two ways about it. So at the intro of this video, what I told you was I'm going to try to help you organize yourself this year and commit to becoming a better trader, right? Everybody wants to be a day trader, right? Everybody thinks it's easy money. And it is, to those of us that know what we're doing. To the retail traders who are fussing around, can't figure out their heads from their asses, well, professional traders take money from retail traders. Again, I wish there was a nicer way for me to say that. There's not, so I'm not going to be nice about it, right? When you have a great trading year in 2019, which I hope all of you do, you are going to make money at the expense of retail traders, what I call the suckers, what I call the dumb money, right? When you become a professional trader, you now join the ranks of the smart money, right? You now wait for scenarios that look like this. A nice long signal that's clean and obvious, that doesn't look like this, right? But even that long signal, it's not enough. We want to wait for price to come back into this zone. We want to capture and wait for this retracement to the exact tick in many cases. And we want to milk that trade all the way up and stay in that trade, right? Guys, it's not hard, right? We're not talking brain surgery here. We're not talking rocket science. We're just talking green and red. You know what I mean? So anyway, at the beginning of this video, I told you I was going to show you some goals that I think you should set for yourself, okay? So here is that list. And it's not a long list, right? There is literally only 3 items on this list. But I can promise you this. If you take this seriously and you follow this list and you set your goals, reasonable goals, right? Not outrageous goals, reasonable goals. Making $200 a day, making $500 a day, making $1,000 a day, whatever your risk tolerance is. If you can be organized about this and you can do it without any emotion and just follow the list, right? Follow the game plan, I can almost guarantee you you're going to see overnight results in your trading performance, right? Item number 1, I want you to remove all distractions that are currently swirling around in your head, trying to convince you one way or the other to get into trading, right? Or to get better at trading. Just get off the fucking fence and make a decision either way, right? If you want to be a day trader, jump headfirst into it. And if you don't want to be a day trader, just go do something else. I can promise you this, If you continue to remain on the fence, you are going to go absolutely mad, right? The fastest way to learn is to start by doing. You guys know that. You guys learned that in grade school. And another part of those distractions is don't fall for obvious gimmicks, right? Like magic indicators, right? Or some kind of day trading chat room that everybody's talking about where all you got to do is sign up for $99 a month and the guy promises you're going to make $10 million, right? The reality is that trading rooms are one of the biggest scams out there. I wish I had time to prove that to you. There's a couple of videos on my channel where I do show you illustrations of what trading rooms look like, and it's just such an obvious scam. So part of item number 1 is also take responsibility for your own trading, right? Don't let someone else make a decision for you, right? Just like my DynoBars. My DynoBars provides a suggestion, right, on when to go long and when to go short. What you do with that information is up to you, right? I provide suggestions. I don't put a gun to anybody's head and say, take this trade, right? But professional software does work, right? You know what doesn't work? Day trading courses. Please, 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 in 2019, do not purchase a $5,000 or a $6,000 day trading course. Just don't do it. I know you're going to be tempted to. I know you're going to go to Google and type in Forex trading strategies or Forex trading signals. I know you're going to do that. And you're going to get hit with a bunch of ads at the top. And you're going to click on one of those ads. And some guy out there is going to try and sell you a $6,000 day trading course. And you guys are going to fall for it. Don't. Right? Go back to what I said at the beginning of this list. Take responsibility for your own trading. Right? Anyway, item number 2. Create a trading to-do list. This involves implementing a couple of basic steps on your trading plan, right? Day trading is no different than starting a business, right? What do business owners do? The first thing they do is they put together a trading plan. And so you, as a trader, will need to have something similar, right? Day trading is the only business, at least that I'm aware of, where you can start a business and make a potential 6-figure income with under $10,000. What other business do you know where you can do that, right? Try opening up a restaurant. You're looking at $500,000. Try buying a Taco Bell franchise. You're looking at $1 million, right? There's no other business in the world where you can start and potentially make a 6-figure income with under 10 grand and do it from your living room, right? So create a business plan which involves things like how much capital are you prepared to start with? What kind of winners are you looking for? If you're looking to make $200 a day, you're going to have X amount in your account. If you're looking to make $1,000 a day, which is totally doable, you're going to have X dollars in your account, right? So these are all decisions you have to make as part of your business plan, and not going to take you that long, right? I'd be shocked if it takes you more than 1 day if you're taking this seriously, right? And that leads me to item number 3. Get serious about day trading, folks, right? The reality is that out of 100 people in a room, only 2 of those people are going to walk out of that room as successful day traders. The remaining 98 people are going to get their accounts blown up in the market. Those are just facts, right? But what's so special about those 2 people who made a killing in the market? The short answer is that there's nothing that special, right? Those are people that simply took trading seriously. They took their business seriously. They had the proper amount of funding, right? They spent money on software. They spent money on their trading tools. They tuned out all the bullshit, right? And they put in the screen time, right? They were at their computer at 7 a.m. and they didn't leave until the market closed. And the most important characteristic about those two people, their desire to be better every single day than they were the day before. That's what separates those two people out of 100. And if you think that's you, if you're watching this video and you think you could be part of those two people, and again, nothing special about those two people, right? They were just committed. They took this seriously. They didn't think of day trading as gambling and just randomly picking tops, randomly picking bottoms, and never using a stop, right? They took their trading seriously. Guys, that is how you're going to achieve tremendous success in 2019. I'm not talking small or medium success. I'm talking huge, massive, astronomical, jaw-dropping success by following these 3 steps. And guys, if you want to talk about this, I'm available. You know this. I've taken your calls on Sunday night at 10 p.m. You know this, right? So listen, guys, this is your roadmap. These are your goals. Personally, I don't think these are too difficult. I have never found it difficult for a mediocre trader to transform himself and become an awesome trader, right? Not hard. At the end of the day, what I hope to do is inspire you guys and motivate you guys and show you that making a living from the markets is entirely possible, right? If you can keep things simple, if you can keep things organized, there ain't nothing, and I mean nothing, that can stop you from killing it in the market every day. All markets, Forex, futures, everything. So listen, guys, I want to wish all of you a fantastic 2019. I think it's going to be great for day traders. I wish each and every one of you tremendous success in the market, and I'm always going to be available for you as a resource. You can feel free to contact me, email me, text me, call me anytime. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, best trading wishes.